Hi, my name is Anya and today I really want to make some candy cane cups. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 1 1/4 cup of flour, add in a pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons baking powder. Mix and set aside. In a bowl, combine 85 grams of butter and 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in 86 grams of sour cream and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Add in the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Add in 6 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix until smooth. Add in 3 large egg whites, which have been whisked until stiff peaks form. Mix until well combined. Spoon your batter into prepared cupcake cases and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 17 minutes. Once your cupcakes come out of the oven, cut them in half. In a bowl with 2 tablespoons of water, sprinkle over 4 teaspoons of gelatin powder. Mix until the gelatin is incorporated. Then microwave for 10 to 15 seconds until the gelatin dissolves. Puree 400 grams of frozen strawberries. Add in your gelatin mixture. I transferred my mixture into a different bowl and whisk until the gelatin has dissolved. Add in 2 to 4 tablespoons of icing sugar and mix until well combined. Add in a pinch of salt and mix until well combined. I wanted a bit more vibrant pink color, so I added a few drops of pink food coloring. Fold in 390 ml of whipped cream. In a glass, start with your strawberry mousse, then add a layer of cake, top with strawberry mousse, then another layer of cake, then another layer of strawberry mousse, your final layer of cake, and your final layer of strawberry mousse, so that you end up having 3 layers of cake and 4 layers of strawberry mousse. Repeat this process for all your other cups. Sprinkle some crushed candy canes on top. And stick in a candy cane. And ta-da, you've individual candy cane cups. Enjoy!